Tyler 16-bit here, back with another video, and this is my first ever unboxing of my Video Games Monthly subscription. Now, VideoGamesMonthly.com is a subscription-based service where you can choose to get a box that has either 3, 4, 5, 10, or 20 games per month. And as it says there, you get to keep the games, and it just depends on what systems that you sign up for to receive games. But yeah, let's get right into it. I'm going to try to do this as like a surprise thing, well, to myself and also to anyone watching to find out what I've received here. And I'm trying to figure out how this... Oh. Okay, it opens by the front. I believe by the front anyway. Oh, there we go. Alright, now I'm going to turn around so I can just reach in and see what I got here. Alright. Oh, I have a 1-up card, so this means I have 6 games in this box. So that's very cool to have that for my first ever box here. Yeah, I signed up for the 5-game subscription, but the 1-up means I have 6 games in this box. And this is a VGM sticker. Not too sure what the number is there. Okay, I'm gonna try to get a game out now. Oh wow, Star Wars Episode 1 Racer. Yeah, talk about a good first impression. This was one of my most nostalgic games growing up that I unfortunately didn't keep growing up, but now I have it again in my N64 collection. Alright, let's see. This is Naruto. It's a Naruto game, Clash of Ninja 2, I believe. Yeah. Now, obviously, this is just a generic disc case, but I mean, a free game is still a free game. Well, not free, but a game that's included with the subscription that I didn't have. So that's pretty cool. And also Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six 3 for the GameCube. Yeah, I probably should have mentioned I signed up so far for just N64 and GameCube because I only have about 20 games for each of those systems, so I definitely wanted to get more. But yeah, the Rainbow Six games are really good. WCW versus NWO World Tour. Yeah, the wrestling games on the N64 are all top notch. So definitely glad to get this one. Along with Star Wars Racer, that's just really cool. Now let's yeah, I'm trying to keep track of the games I got here so far. So now I get 2 more games in the box, and this is Kobe Bryant, R.I.P. Kobe Bryant. But anyway, this is a game of his NBA Courtside. So yeah, I'm not familiar with this game, but I'll definitely check it out. And there's should be one game left. Oh, this is cool. Pac-Man Versus and Pac-Man World 2. This is, yeah, 2 games in one. And it's one of the player's choice cases, but you know what? I don't mind. It's a GameCube game that I didn't have. So definitely cool. Yeah, so overall a really good box in my opinion. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, you all take care.